Morning, everyone. Thanks for joining this session. I'm Syed Safdar Hussain, Senior Cloud Solution Architect in Veraqor. Welcome to our webinar on realizing business benefits with cloud native application. In this webinar, you will realize how cloud native development is reshaping the business landscape, and you will learn how to leverage microservices, containers, and automation to enhance agility, scale, and user experience. In today's agenda, we will be covering what is cloud native and why it's important, customer pain points, and business benefits with cloud native application. We will also see the microservices and its role in cloud native application, then some best practices of cloud native approach and cloud migration journey. And in the end, we will see customer success stories and Veraqor offering. So let's see what cloud native actually. Cloud native architecture and technology are an approach to designing, constructing, and operating workloads that are built in the cloud and take full advantage of cloud computing model. Also, cloud native application take advantage of containers, serverless technologies, microservice-based architecture, API-based solution, and managed database to enable you to build and iterate solution faster. So let's see why it's important. Cloud native apps are capable to delivering new level of skill and performance and can provide even greater reliability for you and your customers using cloud native design patterns because it helps to achieve the agility, efficiency, and the speed of innovation that you need to deliver for your business. So guys, let's see industry challenges. Here are some common challenges and pain points that shows need of cloud native development, which includes downtime and performance issues, CapEx and OpEx challenges with on-prem infrastructure, and especially lengthy development cycles and delays in release especially. So when new feature incorporated, underutilization of resources, traditional or monolith application often lead to resource wastage because of static allocation. And one of the another challenges is dependency on local vendor or single service provider. And one more, the obvious pain point is time-consuming maintenance and poor security and compliance features are also one of the biggest challenge. So let's see how a business value of the cloud we can add through cloud native application. There are many advantages to adopting the cloud, moving to the cloud. So for a range of motivations actually, and seeking a variety of benefits. And these benefits fall into four categories, by the way: cost, agility, service equality, and new scenarios. Service quality is the most important factor. And cloud native application empower business to stay competitive in digital landscape by delivering faster, more reliable, and innovative solutions that meet evolving customer demands while optimizing operational efficiency and cost. And it's imperative to to get a new ideas to market immediately. By the way, at the same time, business systems have also become increasingly complex with the user demanding more. They expect rapid responsiveness, innovative features, and zero downtime. Beside this performance problem, recurring errors and inability to move fast are no longer acceptable. And your user will visit your competitor. So cloud native systems are designed to embrace rapid change, large scale, and resilience. Similarly, one of the business need today is high productivity, the automation, pre-built templates, built-in code, and self-service inheriting, self-service inheriting an app innovation product increase developer productivity. Developer velocity is directly tied to an organizational success, not only internally but externally too. When organizations increase developer velocity, everyone get benefits. Let's see example of one of the cloud, especially Azure. uh, I have one example. For example, Azure App Innovation tools help developers complete work faster and with a few errors, and apply update faster and more reliably. In addition, Azure's architecture support common development best practices. Microsoft Azure Service also largely handle infrastructure needs such as security and networking. Let's see one survey report on this fact. Yeah, here is the list of benefits that your company may have experienced since investing in a cloud innovation products and services. We got this states from the panel survey conducted by Forrester. I don't know how much you agree and disagree, but these are the benefits many company has experienced. For example, cloud will reduce need of infrastructure maintenance, increase dev productivity, um, retire resource dedicated to legacy solution, uh, faster time to market, and uptime of the business application, right? Similarly, reduce security and vulnerabilities and software audit cost. So here are the strongly agree percentages and agreed percentages you have on your screen. The representative interviews and financial analysis found that the composite organization experiences benefit of $35 million over 3 years versus cost of the $10 million, and adding up to a net present value of $25 million around, and an ROI of 251%. One of the CTO of the artificial intelligence solution developer, highlighted direct revenue improvement as a result of faster time to market with the cloud app innovation. They observed, and he said, they are now faster. That means they can offer new solution faster, and this has led to 10% or 15% improvement around, and 15% improvement around in their revenue, right? Yep. Now this is time we need to know how we can start building native app and its journey. So Azure provide all you need to build, create, and run the next cloud native application, from manage Kubernetes, serverless containers, and serverless functions to plan and scale managed databases with high quality vision, speech, language, and decision-making AI models. So guys, here are a few essential elements of cloud native applications on your screen. Number one, microservices, two, containers, APIs, async message-based communication, orchestration tools, and CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery, method. Let's see how microservice architecture align with core principle of cloud native application development, such as scalability, resilience, agility, and efficiency. By breaking down application into smaller, manageable services, organization can fully leverage the benefit of cloud computing platforms and deliver applications that are more flexible, responsive, and cost-effective. Beside all this, microservice architecture offers significant benefits in the development of cloud native application. And by leveraging microservices, by the way, organization enable building resilient, scalable, and highly adaptable application for the dynamic and evolving nature of the cloud computing environment. Let's see an open source and fully managed container orchestration service, one of AKS, or Kubernetes service. It's one of the most important component of the cloud native nowadays. Azure Kubernetes service offers the quickest way to start developing and deploying cloud native app in Azure. Similarly, Azure Kubernetes Service deliver elastic provisioning of capacity without the need to manage the underlying compute infrastructure. And it's the fastest way to spin up managed Kubernetes clusters and configure a seamless DevSecOps workflow with CI/CD integration. Now, this is the time to know best practices of the cloud native. So let's see. So developing cloud native application actually involves adhering to set of best practices that leverage the benefits of cloud computing to build a scalable, resilient, and agile software solution. So guys, here are some key best practices for cloud native application development, in which microservice architecture, container and orchestration, stateless services, RESTful APIs, automation in DevOps, scalability and reliability, and resilience and fault tolerance, monitoring, security, and compliance. So all these points, key points, we need to keep in consideration while implementing cloud native solutions. Let's see summarized form of above best practices in one framework, which called well-architected framework. Yeah, here is the well-architected framework. The architecture guidelines and best practices created for architects, developers, and solution owners to improve the quality of their workloads based on 5 aligned and connected pillars that includes cost optimization, operation excellence, performance efficiency, reliability, and security, right? So let's see high-level cloud journey now. So your question would be how to migrate your on-prem workload to cloud, or how would you start your journey? Now let's see how to migrate your workload to the cloud. This is from 10,000 feet view, big picture of migration, which broken down into 3 phases. In assessment phase, we do discovery and assessment of environment, leveraging some tools and techniques, and come up with the modernization and native implementation plan. Right? In migration phase, we execute migration plan with the right strategy, which we have identified in assessment phase, like rehost, it would be replace, it would be re-architect and rebuild, right? So in optimization phase, we review cost management tool, security management resources to govern, secure, and monitor the cloud application. Create runbook or automation script to stop or scale resources based on their utilization. We know that many companies of you are in various stages, right, of your cloud native journey. You often have existing investments, whether those are in the existing tool you use, the code you have already written, or even across other clouds that you take advantage of. With the Veraqor migration strategy, we meet you where you are and make it easy for you to start your cloud native journey from anywhere. So let me show you the lowest risk path to cloud, in which we start from workshop and technical assessment and create migration plan for you. Then considering your business use case for migration and POC, and manage cloud services for your cost saving. So guys, there are multiple migration strategies. For example, rehost is one of them, in which we lift and shift your on-prem workload on the cloud. For example, we move application and DB database server from on-prem server to the cloud virtual machines. Similarly, refactor, re-architect, and rebuild are also migration strategies. In refactor, we do minimal changes in configuration and code to take better advantage of cloud native services. For example, we containerize, our monolith or traditional app and deploy on Kubernetes to take advantage of cloud scalability and containerization, right? Let's look at one of our customer that has been through this journey of adapting cloud native on Azure cloud. The customer's cloud include document APIs, dynamic PDF generation process for their product. And we use Azure Kubernetes service to enable the customer to take full advantage of the Kubernetes ecosystem and scale their cloud native development even further. So the customer's TCO evolved to cloud native practices a few years ago and adopted a Microsoft architecture that utilized Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Cache for Redis, and Kubernetes service, which use Azure Kubernetes service because it's scalable, flexible, and multi-cloud capabilities. This enabled customer to speed up development from onboarding to production, all while providing automated guardrail with DevSecOps practices. Let's see another case study. One of our customers leveraged cloud native to process real-time vehicle data using IoT. So when there's a high volume of data to ingest and process in a real time, managed data services enable fast and high-scale storage, while container-based microservices can adapt to change load requirement. Guys, you can accelerate your migration with Veraqor and take advantage of your robust accelerators and automation scripts that minimize your infrastructure provisioning cost and time. Our technical experts create entire landing zone and make infrastructure provisioning with best practices through Veraqor accelerators. Let's see our offering for you. Guys, we welcome you to our Veraqor Cloud Solutions offering. Veraqor can help you to unlock power of cloud technology for your business success. We are providing you 1 hour free briefing session. Then we have some other paid offers for you that can help you in your digital transformation journey, like assessment offering. In assessment offering, we understand your existing workload, pain points, and perform discovery and provide you assessment report and future roadmap that are aligned to your business priority. And in POC, we perform one use case after mapping your current challenges and demonstrate the feasibility, advantages, and potential of building and deploying application using cloud native principles and technology. Similarly, we have implementation offering that will cover scope of some applications and one database scenarios to migrate or refactor a cloud native service in $16,000 with the duration of 8 to 10 months week. So drive innovation and achieve faster time to market with Veraqor's cloud native app development service. Build and deploy modern, scalable, and resilient cloud native application. So guys, no matter at which stage of the cloud native journey you are, Veraqor Cloud Native Solution Framework can be used to define your cloud adoption strategy, perform readiness assessment for your application, accelerate innovation through adoption services like app services, Kubernetes services, cloud native functions, API management, DevOps, etc. Thank you. Contact us to discuss how our cloud solution offering can drive your business success. And please write your query on mtu@veraqor.io. Thank you for joining. Thank you very much.